Hey y'all, this is Tiana, and I am here because I am going to be making a 40-ounce tumbler for Jessi from Diamond Fire Rhinestones. She asked me to make a custom order for her based on her leggings, and I am so excited to give this a try. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so I'm kicking things off with a 40-ounce Big Betty from the Tipsy Magnolia. First things first, I removed the handle, taped off the top and bottom, and gave it a solid coat of Dixie Belle bonding boss to prep the surface. I uploaded the image Jessi sent me to ChatGPT, asked for a black and white stencil, and boom, we had a base to work with. Figuring out how to wrap that design around this jumbo-sized cup, that was a puzzle. I've never done a continuous pattern on a 40-ounce before, so you're definitely going to see me wrestle with that stencil I cut using Cricut stencil vinyl. I weeded the vinyl, and for that tricky curve where things wouldn't line up, your girl got creative. I sketched in the lines by hand and used painter's tape to help keep those edges straight. Then I grabbed my black acrylic paint marker and filled in the base. Once that dried, I peeled off the rest of the stencil and started coloring. I veered from the original legging colors and went full neon explosion. Hot pink, honeydew, light blue, papaya, and violet. No pattern, no plan, just vibes. Now let's talk rhinestones. I decided to bling out all the circle parts using SS30s in matching neon colors. At one point, I even put the handle back on just to see where I should stop with the rhinestones. For the circles, I tried to size the stones from smallest to biggest going around, and for the straight lines, I kept it classy with nothing larger than SS16s. I outlined a section, then fill in. Super helpful to keep things looking clean and straight. Once the colors were done, I filled in the gaps with neon black stones. I even had some SS3s in black on standby for those tiny spaces. And honestly, that part flew by because most of the work was already done. And here's the finished look. This is officially the biggest cup I've ever rhinestoned, and I absolutely loved making it for Jessi. To wrap it up, here's a little peek at her unboxing from the DFR Creates Facebook group. It made all the work so worth it.
Card. It just says, thank you for allowing me to make this custom for you. This was definitely the biggest cup I ever rhinestone. It really means a lot. You trusted me to execute your idea. Love, Tiana. So I think what I'm gonna have to do, guys, is show you. I'm meant to be wearing the pants, the leggings, and I totally forgot. When I got dressed this morning, I just went for clean ones. So I'm gonna pull up and show you guys what the inspiration was. Media, there it is. Okay, so I love CVG leggings, and I had gotten this pair in as a mystery pair, and I absolutely fell in love with them. They like scream 80s, 90s child neon to me. And so I snapped a picture and messaged Tiana and asked if she would be willing to take on a custom for me based off of those leggings, and she came back with two different color palettes, and I let her pick. Told her dealer's choice, and I'm so glad she did. And I have seen this in the making, y'all, and I'm obsessed. So I'm so excited for this to be here today. But that was the inspiration. Now you guys get to see the reality with me. And for anybody who doesn't already have a Tiana cup, I highly recommend them. I keep adding to my collection. But when I saw that print on leggings, there was nobody else I could ask. Like, it screamed right up Tiana's alley. This is so freaking gorgeous, y'all. Look at this. So she designed all of this, picked the color palette. I am so glad she went with this one. Even though, like, the other version matched the leggings perfectly, but this I think screams more my color palette too. This is just absolutely stunning. Tiana, this is amazing. Thank you so much for making this for me. I love her. Yeah. Tiana, you have outdone yourself yet again, girl. And I have no idea how she knocks these out as fast as she does, because I swear, like, she just drew this the other day in my head. But I've also missed a lot myself, so y'all, go check out Tiana. I don't know if she has this one on her YouTube or not. But go sign up for her YouTube channel. She releases a lot of her tutorials over on her YouTube channel instead of doing lives in the group, because she never knows when she's going to have time to jump on and work on something. So she pre-records a lot of her stuff. So yeah, go give her a follow. Thank you, Tiana. I love it.